Understanding Entry Permit, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in travel and immigration: entry permit. If you're planning to travel or move to another country, understanding this term is crucial. Let's unpack what it means and why it's important. An entry permit is an official document that grants a person the authorization to enter a specific country. It's important to differentiate an entry permit from a visa, as they may serve similar but distinct purposes depending on the country's regulations. Entry permits come in various forms, such as tourist permits, student permits, or work permits. Each type corresponds to the nature of the visit, and it's essential to apply for the correct one to avoid any legal issues. To obtain an entry permit, one usually must apply through the destination country's embassy or immigration office. The process involves submitting an application, various documents, and sometimes undergoing an interview. Having an entry permit is crucial as it ensures that your stay is legal and recognized by the host country. Without it, you may face deportation or legal penalties. It's the first step towards a smooth and lawful experience in a new country. And that's a wrap on entry permits. Remember, this document is your ticket to exploring new horizons legally and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. Safe travels and happy learning!